Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable auto brightness on your iPhone. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click on settings here, just click on it. When you click here on settings, so then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, you just keep going down here, then you click here on accessibility here, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on display and text size, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you come here to auto brightness. So you just click in this sign of this color, like you see color, it's gone. That mean auto brightness disable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.